Well, I enjoyed making that cover. I'm going to try and get this to over 3 minutes to make it long form, because I have to upload from mobile. That song has been on the to-do list for quite a while now, and I only finally got it composed sometime over the past weekend. I really enjoyed finally getting to use the piano for the first time, despite having to do a different cut for each chord. I never would have gotten it done otherwise. Something I want to throw in real quick is I do hope sometime way down the line to come back and remaster all of these older covers, or they will be older once I get there. But until then, we'll just stick with what I got right now. I hope to see some of you in the next one.